Hey guys, I know it's been a long time. Crow and I are going to replace some headlights on my car. We're going to replace the whole thing. As you can see how foggy they are. I've tried all the remedies to get that off and nothing has worked so far. So I know even though it's daylight, I'm going to go ahead and turn the headlights on. Try to give you before and after even in the daytime. So I'm going to go hit them right now. And then once we're all done, we'll see what it looks like. All right, so to start off, we got some bolts here we got to get basically like the grill off of it. So Crow, you want to come up and kind of get a close-up on them? And this is a 2003 Jeep Liberty. And on mine, it's a T20 Torx bit. You just take those out. Roll the grill back, and these clips just kind of set in the holes in here, and that's what holds it on. It looks like I might have a few of them busted. One broke off here and one here, but stays on for now, so we're okay. Then you've got two bolts, one down the bottom, one up the top. And hopefully those will stay the same at a T20, we'll find out. Yep. Get off this guy. As you come up here, there's a nut on the back here. You can unscrew that, pull the bulb itself out, and then there's the fixture. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the bulb out. That one's really bad. All right. Open the box up and get the new ones out. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a left and a right. This one has a 1R, so I'm going to say that's right. It's got a big R in the corner. And the other one's got an L. Yeah, I'm facing the car. Right's over here, left's over there. We both got the same Kershaw knives, by the way, except for Crow's tips broke off of his. I used it for a screwdriver. All right, they are very packaged very well. And I did get these from carparts.com. And they're packaged really good. Kind of folded over, sandwiched in there. Look at the difference in that. Wow. I ought to be able to see now. And they also do come with a new bulb. So I will probably just go ahead and take my bulbs out and just use the ones they sent. And it's got a plastic wrap around it. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Probably easier now than once it's in place. And this one was the left one. So sitting inside is gonna be over here. So looks like it's got a little tab here. And this tab's probably going to have to go in this hole. So you probably kind of like take it in at an angle. And then on top it's got an adjustment screw. So hopefully they're already set and I don't have to mess with that, but we'll see. In order to get this bulb out, unplug it, got to get a screwdriver up underneath this tab so you can pull it out. Pull the wiring harness out of it, just like so. And you're still good, so we'll see it goes. Get the ring. Don't mess up that. Forget the ring. Got a gold ring. Which I guess you don't have to take that ring off because that just takes the whole housing out. Leave that on and just plug the socket in. Seems to go in pretty easy. Get it started, make sure we're lined up. Number one. Man, huge difference already. All right, off to the next one. Get this bulb out. Crow, what you been up to?
I would say working. I'm used to saying working all the time, but not working right now. So waiting to be working again.
And I can still say I'm working all the time. Just happened to get this weekend off, but I've already had to go in early this morning, take care of some stuff, but here we are. All right. So again, we're just gonna plug this in. Get the little part in the hole. Whoops, I got to get the plastic off. There we go. And by the way, never done this before, so I'm not a mechanic by any means. I do work with my hands, but I do not work on cars. So if I can do this, anybody can do it. So far, looks fantastic, huge difference.
Makes the floodlights look bad now.
Yeah, those are next. See if floodlights are next, we'll see if we can figure that out. All right, we'll go ahead and start the car, turn the headlights back on, see what it looks like with these in there.
They're not lighting up.
Not lighting up?
No.
That is good.
Oh, actually, yeah. Yeah, they are. It's just hard to.
They're on.
They're on now.
You just can't really see it in the daylight, I guess, but I'm sure it's going to make a huge improvement at nighttime. Plus, they may be a dimmer bulb. I may end up going back to my other bulb. We'll see how these are at nighttime. But they got to be better than all that frosted over the lenses.
Yeah.
All right, that was pretty quick. So now we're going to go ahead and put the cover back on, the grill. Again, you just kind of set it on there like this. Get them lined up. And then just roll it in. And then put the screws back in. I am going to get on car parts and see if they got these, how expensive they are. I think it'd be kind of neat to maybe do a different color, but get one that 2 of the tabs aren't broken off. got a little bit of wobble with them broken, otherwise pretty good. All right, guys, that's how you change the whole assembly for the headlight on a Jeep 2000 Liberty. All right, guys, we appreciate it. We hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. God bless.